Hi. Welcome to this episode of Unknown Facts. Today we are going to know about the facts of rusty red sphere called Mars. We make a new video every week, so do subscribe. Number 1. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in between our Earth and Jupiter. Number 2. Mars has a circumference of 21,344 kilometers, which is less compared to the Earth's 40,070 kilometer. Number 3. The planet is named after Mars, the Roman god of war. Number 4. Chinese astronomers call Mars the fire star, while ancient Egyptian priests called it Erdeshir, meaning the red one. Number 5. Despite Mars being just 15% the volume and 10% the mass of Earth, it actually has a similar landmass because water covers about 70% of Earth's surface. Number 6. The surface gravity of Mars is about 37% the gravity found on Earth. This means that on Mars you could in theory jump 3 times higher than you could on Earth. Number 7. The tallest mountain known in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is a 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers diameter shield volcano, which means it is 2.5 times the Mount Everest, highest mountain on the Earth. If you want more facts about country of Mount Everest, Nepal, please click in the link given in the description below. Number 8. Mars is 15% of Earth's volume yet only 10% of Earth's mass. So its density is 2/3 of the Earth, which is about 4,000 kilograms per meter cube compared to 5,500 of Earth. Number 9. The 2 moons of Mars, Phobos and Deimos, were written about in the book Gulliver's Travels by author Jonathan Swift, 151 years before they were discovered. Number 10. The composition of Mars' atmosphere is extremely similar to Venus, one of the least hospitable atmospheres in all of the solar system. The main component in both atmospheres is carbon dioxide. Number 11. Similar to the other terrestrial planets, Mars' interior is divided into 3 layers: a crust, mantle, and core. Number 12. It takes Mars about 24 hours 40 minutes to complete one full rotation, easily making the Martian day the closest in length to an Earth day. Number 13. At roughly 25 degrees, Mars' axial tilt is yet another similarity the planet shares with Earth. What this means is Mars actually experiences seasons like those on Earth. Number 14. On Mars, 1 year equals to 687 days. Number 15. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. With a diameter of 6,791 kilometers, it's roughly half the size of Earth. If you have watched the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Number 16. Humans have not yet been to Mars, but scientists have sent spacecraft there to help them research this fascinating planet. The first spacecraft to land on Mars were the Viking landers, which touched down on the surface in 1976. Number 17. Mars is the only other planet besides Earth that has polar ice caps. The northern cap is called the Planumborum, with Planum Austral in the south. Water ice has also been found under the Martian ice caps. Number 18. The atmospheric pressure is only about 1% of that found at sea level on Earth. That is the equivalent pressure found at 35 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Number 19. In the next 20-40 million years, Mars' largest moon Phobos will be torn apart by gravitational forces, leading to the creation of a ring that could last up to 100 million years. Number 20. The average surface temperature on Mars is -63 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Celsius chillier than on Earth. Number 21. Mars can be spotted with the naked eye during the nighttime from the surface of Earth, thanks to its reddish appearance. Number 22. Mars can be spotted with the naked eye during the nighttime from the surface of Earth, thanks to its reddish appearance. Number 23. Indian Space Research Organisation also set their orbiter for Mars safely on 24 September 2014. By doing so, India became the first country in the world to set a spacecraft into Mars orbit in its first attempt. The mission was launched on November 5, 2013. Number 24. Mars has all 4 seasons as that of Earth. However, each season on the red planet lasts twice as long as that on Earth. Number 25. The longest and the deepest canyon in the entire solar system is on Mars, Valles Marineris. With maximum length, 4,000 km, maximum width, 200 km, and maximum depth, 7 km. Compared to the Grand Canyon, it is 4 times deeper and 6 times longer. Number 26. Unlike the Earth, on Mars sunsets are blue. Number 27. There is no human population on Mars as of today, but there are robots inhabiting the red soil. And there are 7 of those. Number 28. Worm-like aliens have been recently spotted on Mars' surface by NASA JPL's Mars Orbiter. This spacecraft has been orbiting Mars for the past 11 years. Number 29. Scientists have tried to grow plants in soil that mimics Martian soil? Yes, and they have succeeded in their attempt to grow tomatoes, peas, and rye from the said soil. Now, this is going to help those wishing to spend some time on the red planet. Number 30. Of the 45 Mars missions launched since 1960, 26 have had some component fail to leave Earth, fall silent en route, miss orbit around Mars, burn up in the atmosphere, crash on the surface, or die prematurely. That's all for today. If you have any facts that you want to know or share, then do comment. We read and respond to every comment.